What a cold day so far. Lindy and I have come out to the Wildebeest challenge and we got straight into it. We had a late start this morning, we slept in a little bit, and we decided we're not going to compete today. We were going to give the fun class maybe a little bit of an opportunity for somebody else to come first, second or third, but no, all honestly, we decided we were going to come spectate today to get a different view, watch some of the more rowdier classes. So the footage that you've just seen is from some of the more specialized vehicles, and they always put on a show for us, so we're going to follow them around today. We're going to get a little bit more footage. We're going to go and find the fun class, see what they've got to do today. I did speak with Sean, who's the event organizer and the main muncher here, and he did say that the fun class is a little bit more difficult today, and they have the opportunity to do the C-class trails. So on the one hand, I'm sorry that we're missing out, but on the other hand, I'm going like, it's actually pretty cool to sit back and watch some of these bigger vehicles, the more specialized vehicles. So I'm looking forward to today, and I hope that you are going to enjoy it too. Bear, what's your take so far?
I don't know. I'm enjoying watching and not being thrown around and being full of mud.
And that's not me throwing you around, that's the car throwing you around, just in case we've got any specials out there. Up there and then they just can't bring that wheel up.
They must just give it gas.
Yeah, and they just show us how it's done, Reg. Come on, you got a Jeep with all those lockers in. You're pretty much going up a flat bank on the right hand side with an off camber on the other.
And the wheels are full of mud. It's like sticks.
That is mud all over me for somebody that did really well, but the joys of getting the shot. Yeah, the wheel on the I'm just sorry I missed the roll.
Especially the first one.
Okay. No, when Lindy and I were talking about it last night, we were like,
Plan A, Plan B.
yeah, we're like, should we get check early? No, these things always take, you know, they always take forever. Murphy's Law.
We started off with a bang.
Yeah. Oh well. And you guys doing quite well so far.
Yeah, I think that the last one was the so nice.
like what he did there, moved the steering wheel left and right, until eventually the front end pulled around and he was able to get a much better line. Ingenious. So today's turning out to be a little bit more of watching everything that's going on, and it's quite cool, and the wind is blowing, so I hope the audio is good. But it's really good to be on the side of watching everything happening and just seeing everybody in action. Touch the last gate means he gets 0. Tough luck, Llewellyn, you did well.
Hey, Bear.
Yes, Bear.
I Are you sorry that you didn't come and participate today?
I'm actually not. I'm actually quite enjoying watching the bigger vehicles and the more extreme obstacles. And what it does tell me is that on my first opportunity, I'm also going to be building a rig to come and take on these bigger obstacles, like 38-inch tires, front, rear, center, lockers, the works. So no, I'm having fun. I'm just like mud everywhere because you know you got to risk it for the biscuit, and that means sometimes you got to get in behind the cars that are flinging all the mud so that you can make sure that you get the shot.
I saw you got a headshot there of mud.
Man, it landed right here, and I literally had a piece of grass like hanging over my eye. Yeah, so, but it's also the first time that I've actually taken the Pajero off-road, I must admit.
Maybe you can
Not obstacles or anything like that, but compared to the chimney, it's like Rolls Royce compared to the chimney off-road. So yeah, no, I'm happy. But we have joined some of the extreme classes again down in some other obstacles. I'm going to throw the drone up. You're going to get some footage, so good luck with you being in the mud. And let's have some fun.
Sending wife in to do the dirty work.
That's what she said. That was super well done. Llewellyn missed that last peg there by just a millimeter. Crazy. Made that look easier. I can guarantee you it's not.
before he says anything, I was not hungry.
She was very hangry because she came and sat in the car. I don't know what this guy's doing, but she came and sat in the car, and as soon as I threw a monkey bar at her, or whatever those fruit bars are, she got a smile on her face. And that is it for this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was something a little bit different than what we typically do, because normally we're the ones that are going and flinging the mud everywhere, but I am covered from head to toe in mud. I had mud all over my face, grass hanging over my eye. I had a hangry wife, but we sorted that out now.
She was not hungry.
Anyway, so I hope that you liked it. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button, hit that like, and leave us a comment down below. Let us know if you enjoy this type of thing. There are a couple more competitions coming up that we could potentially go and cover. One last thing before we leave. If you would like to know more about the Wildebeest, check out in the description below. I will make a link to the Wildebeest website. On there you will be able to find out all the results from what happened today. You can get information if you want to join us, and please do. It's a whole lot of fun if you're in the Western Cape, more specifically around Cape Town. Join us for the next one. We'll see you then.